Today, I'm going to be navigating y'all through Google Drive with the use of a job announcement. So you're going to come up here, you're going to click New, you're going to come down to More, and then you're going to click Google Drawings. Gotta wait for everything to load. And then you're going to click up here to insert an image. I'm going to upload the image I got from a job website. So I'm going to come right here. Okay. You can make it bigger. You can make it skinnier. But I think I'm going to leave it right about here. How it was. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you how to highlight something. I'm going to highlight this right here where you can apply. I'm going to go to Shapes. Make a box. And I'll put it right over here by Apply. And I'm going to move it around a little bit so I'm right in the middle. So I'm going to make this transparent. I'm going to make this outside line yellow. And then if you want, you can make the border width 1. You can make it a 2, a 3, or anything all the way up to a 24. I think I'm going to leave mine on 3. So then, I'm going to show you how to draw a box. And I'm going to draw that around the job title. So you can do kind of like what you did to the apply to highlight. You can do this and just put a box around it. Just make sure this is transparent. Or you can delete it, backspace, and you can draw you a box. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go to Scribble. And I'm going to just freehand a box. Okay. And then you can change the color of it. I think I'm going to do this purple or this teal, turquoise, cyan. Okay. And then if you want to move it, you can just not the picture. But if you want to move it, you'll just click the box right here. You'll just move it. Then you can put it back. Now, I'm going to show you how to put a circle up. You're going to go right back to the shapes. Then you can do this circle, or you can do like an oval sort of. And I think I'm going to do this one. This is the oval. Then I'll just do a regular old circle. Oops. So I'm going to put that around the salary. Move it up a little bit. And just like any of the other boxes, make sure this is transparent. And then we'll show y'all how you can make your own text box. You'll just click right there, and then you'll start typing. Alright, this is everything for the Word, the text box. You go here, you'll have this, you'll highlight it. Right there, you can change how big it is, if it's bold, italicized, underlined. You can change the color. and then you can highlight the color, say red. Alright.